Alright, it's about 20 minutes past 8 o'clock right now. 21 minutes past 8 o'clock is what the time read here on the phone. You can see this fire's done. I mean, and now this is all down to just burning the big stuff now. And this big stuff here is going to burn all night, all day tomorrow, and all night tomorrow night too. You can guarantee it. So, yeah, I'm going to take a... Oh, crap, I just ran into... I ran into that big old stick here. I cleared everything up. I've been doing a little walk around, making sure there's no sticks around here. Darn if I didn't just find one. Rocks. Man. Okay, well, I think that's just about everything. Anyway, yeah. Everything's under control. Nothing's out of control, and nothing got out of control. Nothing I couldn't handle. I tell you, I did get a little bit warm from that fire there. Got so warm I was wearing my windbreaker here, and on my left arm, my windbreaker got a little bit melted on the inside and on the outside. On the arm, maybe I'll show that to you tomorrow. I got some really awesome steel frame photos from this fire here. So here's the stump. You can see the burning embers right here. This stump here burned for 2-3 days, given that it don't rain. So there's y'all a 360 view of the fire that was, and it's going to be in the past tomorrow, the next day. I'll keep running into sticks here on the ground. So, anyway, yeah, it's October the 8th of 2014. I don't know how many videos I did tonight, 3, 4 videos. I gotta get up to the house. I'm gonna go up here and grab my sleeping bag and my tarp and my blanket that I use for a pillow. I'm gonna crash out here tonight. This is gonna be a good night for sleeping. It's about 50, 60 degrees out here right now. It's sweater weather. So, anyway, guys, I'm fixing to get my ass chewed out here by Dale here in just a little bit. So, yeah. Talk to y'all later. Bye.